Are you ready to reclaim your magic and transform your life?
My biggest breakthrough was just really becoming more comfortable within myself and becoming more confident in my abilities.
For the first time, I've really felt myself accept and embrace all of me.
I was a little bit stuck, but I didn't know it until taking the class.
I was able to let go of the fear and the limitations and the people pleasing and really just kind of come into my own healing.
I don't want this to end. Can we just do 12 more weeks with you, Calista?
I would suggest to everybody, repeat it. Every opportunity that you get to repeat, I'll be back. I'll come back every year.
Just my self-worth has come back like tenfold, and who I was 3 months ago to now is completely different. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Calista. Oh my gosh, amazing.
I really believe in myself in a way that I didn't before.
Unicorn Healing was created in 2009. This unique course is taught by international unicorn expert and award-winning author of Unicorn Rising, Calista. Unicorn Healing is the only registered form of hands-on unicorn therapy worldwide and is taught in 6 continents with certified unicorn healing worldwide. This magical unicorn healing course connects you with your own guardian unicorns, plus 12 different lineages of unicorns, including elemental unicorns, galactic unicorns, and angelic unicorns. Unicorn Healing is a 3-month distance learning course with ongoing support. Within the Unicorn Healing course, you'll receive 12 hours of live teaching and attunement videos, as well as a private practitioner group and a 54-page training manual. In addition, you'll learn the secrets of how to channel unicorn energy for yourself and others, raise your consciousness, and deepen your spiritual gifts. The Unicorn Healing course can be purchased upfront in one lump sum, or can be paid through an affordable installment plan. Upon completion of the course, you'll receive a printable certificate authenticating your achievement and legal ability to use the Unicorn Healing modality in your healing practice. Get ready to live your truth and unleash your magic. The next Unicorn Healing course begins March 19th.